Curious about the Queens real estate market and how it performed in October? From the most affordable homes in Jamaica to luxury properties in Malba, we're bringing you the full market scoop.
Stay tuned, and if you're interested in Queens real estate, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you will never miss any of our updates.
Welcome to our October 2024 Queens Real Estate Market Report. I'm Elias and Alejandra with Empire Fine Homes, and we're here to give you the latest insights.
First, let's talk about new listings. October saw 559 new properties come into the Queens market, adding to the 2,151 available properties for sale across the borough.
And in October, 467 properties went pending with an average list price of just over $1 million and a median of $938,000. That gives buyers and sellers a solid picture of the current pricing trends.
The big news is the closed sale. In October 2024, 453 properties sold, which is up 10.2% compared to 412 sales in October 2023. While sales volume went up, we saw a slight year-over-year decrease in the median sales price, down 2.6% to $875 from $898 last year.
That's right, Alejandra. And homes that sold in October 2024 spent an average of 68 days on the market. This number is an important indicator of the market health, showing us how quickly buyers are committing to purchasing.
October had quite the price range. The least expensive sale home sold in Jamaica at $340,000, while the most expensive one sold in Malba, and that was $2,495,000. This diversity highlights the wide range of options in Queens.
And with pending sales at healthy levels and more homes hitting the market, Queens real estate remains active. Even as price adjusts slightly, whether you're buying, selling, or just interested in the market trends, now is a great time to stay informed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this update helpful, please give us thumbs up, subscribe for more market insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next month.